Hi viewers, welcome back in my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful, latest and unique new modern and outstanding and unique new best skirt designs items on my channel. Please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get notifications of all my videos. You will see the stylish and most beautiful, latest and unique new all best videos and unique new best skirts. Double frill skirts designs items on my channel, creative and unique new all collections and how much beautiful unique new best ideas and 2010 unique new modern and outstanding and unique beautiful and unique new all best ideas and unique new best videos. 2003 and unique new all collections and latest and unique new modern fabulous and attractive unique new best double frill skirt designs and unique new upcoming and stylish best collections and best items on my channel. 2020 and unique new all best videos and you will see the stylish modern knee length skirt designs, double frill skirt designs, ideas, and how much beautiful, unique, new, all modern and attractive, unique, new, best pattern. 2020 unique new all collections and best videos, best items on my channel. And 2020 unique new upcoming and stylish best skirts with blouses designs items on my channel. You will see the stylish and unique new all how much beautiful, creative and attractive best patterns, and you will see the stylish unique new all best patterns and best items on my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my all videos. Beautiful and attractive, outstanding and unique new double frill skirt designs and beautiful, unique new dark colors, light colors, color combinations, color contrast and unique new all best collections and best videos, best items on my channel. Double frill skirt designs and unique new upcoming and stylish best videos, and you will see the stylish, creative and unique new all modern and outstanding and unique new best skirt designs with dark colors and mermaid style skirt designs items on my channel. So thank you so much guys for watching my all videos. Thank you for my channel, supporting me by sharing more videos with your friends and your relatives. Beautiful, unique new outstanding and stylish best skirts with blouses designs items on my channel. Modern and attractive, unique new best collections and most beautiful, unique new skirts with blouses designs. See you soon guys. I love